Paper plates. Dixie ultra-large paper plates, 10-inch, 172 count, stand out in the realm of disposable dinnerware, offering a blend of strength, convenience, and versatility that is hard to overlook. Manufactured by Georgia-Pacific, these plates boast an impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars based on nearly 18,000 reviews, reflecting widespread customer satisfaction. The design of these plates is not just about aesthetics, it emphasizes functionality. The 10-inch diameter makes them suitable for everything from appetizers to full meals, accommodating an array of food types without compromising on space. Their dimensions, 10.08 into 2.69 into 10.08 inches, provide a generous surface area, perfect for gatherings, picnics, or daily use. What truly sets the Dixie Ultra plates apart is their claim of being 3x stronger than standard paper plates. This sturdiness is particularly beneficial when serving heavier items like pasta or grilled meats, ensuring that users do not have to worry about leaks or breakage. The increased durability significantly enhances the dining experience, allowing for easy handling and a sense of security that many disposable plates cannot offer.